Hey everyone, it's Lara here from Cool Plants. You'll find us on Instagram at coolplants.co.nz. Today we're looking at Monstera, or the Swiss cheese plant. This is a hugely popular plant for all the good reasons. It has big glossy leaves with those distinctive holes which are called fenestrations. It's an easy care plant and it'll grow quite big, so 1 to 2 metres indoor, even bigger depending on the variety. You can see why everyone goes nuts about them though, look at that. You want to use a quality potting mix when you're repotting. Use Tui indoor plant mix. You'll know when to go up a size when those aerial roots start pouring over the edge. You can capture those by going up a pot size, or alternatively you can look at propagating that new growth. Monstera like bright indirect light and will tolerate a bit of shade. So what you want to do is put them in a spot where they've got plenty of space to grow and plenty of bright light, and they'll do very well. Just no direct sun on their leaves as they can burn. When it comes to watering, water your plants, probably weekly in the spring and summer. Again, just checking the soil, make sure that they're ready. And during the cooler months, just let that soil dry out a bit between watering. It's a tropical plant, so it enjoys a lot of humidity. So feel free to go and give it a good misting from time to time to help keep that humidity up. Monsteras aren't a gross feeder, so you can use a great product like Tui Pour and Feed, indoor plant fertiliser. You'd use that every 3 to 4 weeks, or alternatively you can use pots and containers, which is a sustained release food, and you'd use that every 6 months. There's not a lot of problems when it comes to Monstera. The key bit would probably be overwatering. So just make sure you're keeping an eye on that. If the leaves start turning yellow or brown at the tips, just pull your watering back and just check that soil moisture before you give them a good drink. Enjoy.